Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text in table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make this text center in table. Firstly, go to the Insert menu, then click the Table option, then insert a table, then increase the table size some big, then write anything on the table cell, then select the text and go back the home menu, then apply any alignment. Now I select the center align and then align this text center. You can choose the right align or justify. Now we can see we center text this table publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.